So we're going to solder this fitting here. So you keep waiting until it starts to run. Gentle dabs. That's it. A bit more on there. A bit more on there. On the line, remember. On the line. That's it. You see it go round. Right, now move on to this one. Lovely job. Right, onto there. A little dab on that. Yes, it's gone round nice and quick that time. Bit more. That's it. Take it off, and that's it. We've done that. So we'll let that cool down. Don't touch it. We'll let that cool down.
You can see it's a silver pipe now.
It's all joint, yeah. And then we'll make the other bit up in a minute.